Green banana peeling machine is specially designed for green banana peel removal. Green banana peel is hard to peel by manual, and it takes a lot of time to do the banana peeling process in a banana chips factory. We designed this banana peeler machine to reduce labor costs for banana peeling. This is the first generation of industrial banana peeler machines. It can reach 300 kilograms per hour peeling capacity. We also make the banana chips cutting machine, which connects with the peeling machine, so we see and get round banana chips for following banana chips frying. The peeled green banana is clean and has no damage on the banana surface. This banana peeler machine can perfectly peel a green banana with bend shape and has a good peeling speed. If you like our machine, please give us a like and subscribe. We will often update machine tech and share new machine videos on my channel. If you have any idea for our machine, please leave a comment. We often do update according to feedback.